Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Mani's Kitchen and Gardening. You can see the tree, it's bloomed fully. So update of my garden, you can see everywhere full of cherry tomatoes. So it's harvesting time now. I have to harvest completely, otherwise it will go waste. You can see the plants getting completely dried up because of summer time. This black tomato is one more plant, and these are red cherry tomatoes. It's fully ripened, you can see. So I have to harvest this also. Drumsticks, sweet potato patch, it's growing very well. Few tomatoes are there, and you can see papaya is ready for harvest, and turkey berries too. You can see I'll be harvesting that also. So black nightshade, you can see full of medicinal properties. It's almost ripened, but still I can use it. They are in lots. I have to harvest this also. Plantain or banana, it's growing well. There's one variety elaki, pudina patch, and what you can see, it's guava one and one more here, ready for harvest. One more drumstick plant or moringa, and this one more banana plant. It's a grafted tissue culture plant. It's growing well, but this is different variety, dots variety. Onions, so we are going with carrot. You can see I'll be harvesting this also. Curry leaves, again fresh, it started. Oh, bitter gourd, guava, this Thailand guava, different variety. Okay, one more bitter gourd, small one. My passion fruit, my dragon fruit. Wow, look at the view of the tree. It's full of flowers. It's really very beautiful. So you can see there are dry leaves everywhere. So I'm collecting because it will be useful in mulching. You can see all the containers I have mulched heavily because it helps in water transpiration loss that is occurring during summer time. So because of this we can water once in 2 days. You can see my turkey berries are ready. This one more plant, beautiful bougainvillea flowers. So actually you can see in a small cover the pomegranate plant started growing from seed. I thought it's of no use, but it really shocked me. You can see it started giving flowers. Oh my god, humans are really of no use, but plants are indeed nature's gift or God's gift. You can see it's a very small and tiny plant. You can see the roots, stem also, a small stem. Thought of removing the flowers, so 2 to 3 times I removed, but still the flowers are again coming back. So these are new addition. Cauliflowers, cabbages. I've sprinkled udash. Can see turnip. Nol. These are new additions. Everywhere I've sprinkled udash. Cherry tomatoes. So udash helps in getting rid of the pests, which normally happens to be seen on these varieties. What you can see is small tiny gobi, cauliflower. See, this is what happens because of pest attack. So udash helps us to block the air supply for the pests. In turn, it suffocates and dies or tends to escape from that particular place. So here our intention is to grow all the food varieties organically. So this is one best option. Spraying too helps, but this is the best way. Sprinkling udash. Udash, you get it everywhere. See my collection of dry leaves everywhere I've collected. You need to mulch your pots or containers with dry leaves, otherwise the soil tends to become dry. I'll show you. This is how it becomes. You can see how much ever you water, it's not sufficient. So once you mulch, it prevents water loss, thereby protecting the roots also. So let's begin our harvest. And this is the harvest. Bountiful, you can see. Tomatoes, my god, it's fully ripened. Drumsticks I got, potatoes, cherry tomatoes, turkey berries from 3 plants, the spring onions and onion bulbs too, fully ripened. Papaya, guava, last produce of brinjal plant turned yellow, turnip, black nightshade and potatoes. The plant got lost, but potatoes were there, fully formed, and assorted greens as usual. Many varieties I have daily as to harvest, but today I thought I'll post this also. So my entire dining table is free. Hope you enjoyed my video, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Happy gardening. Bye bye. Take care.